Here we have the ADA enzyme, and this enzyme is responsible for converting adenosine, as we see in orange here, into inosine, which is a non-toxic form. Firstly, adenosine will move and bind to the active site of the ADA enzyme, which is the cleft as we can see over here. This active site contains the important glutamate 217 amino acid that is responsible for increasing the rate of reaction of adenosine conversion into inosine, as we can see in this process here. Finally, this inosine molecule is released from the ADA enzyme, and this inosine molecule is non-toxic to the cell. However, as you can see here, this is the 3D structure of the ADA protein. The glutamate 217 amino acid in blue over here is the active site, which is important for the formation of inosine from adenosine. However, the nearby residue of glycine 216 can be mutated into arginine. And as you can see, we have the final form of the protein here. The glycine has been changed to an arginine amino acid. And as you can see before, the arginine has a much larger side group, meaning it is likely to have a significant impact on the structure of the protein. Additionally, glycine was considered a non-polar amino acid, whereas arginine is considered a polar amino acid. And this is, again, will impact the structure and function of the ADA enzyme. As you can see, we have the red color depicting the mutation in the active site. Specifically, it is right next to the active site, which is glutamine 217. And as you can see, adenosine will attempt to bind to the protein. And because of how near the amino acid mutation is to the active site, adenosine will not be able to bind properly to the ADA enzyme, and therefore the active site will be unable to function appropriately. The resulting change from adenosine into inosine does not occur, and therefore we have a toxic buildup of adenosine molecules within the cell, and this in the long run can actually lead to cell death. Specifically, the death of T cells, which are known to be important in creating the immune system. The lack of T cells will result in other deficient SCID, otherwise known as severe combined immunodeficiency. And hopefully with this video, you can see how ADA deficiency can actually result in SCID. It's a significant disease that can have profound impacts on the individual's livelihood.